28th September 2024, Zambia Red Cross Society will be joining the rest of the world in commemorating the World First Aid Day under the theme First Aid and Sport at the Showgrounds in Lusaka. Activities during this day will include relay races, aerobics, gun spoon games, including first aid competition. During this day, more importantly, we'll also be launching the fire marshal training, increasing the scope of the training that Zambia Red Cross Society is offering in providing safety in our communities. We invite you, corporates, institutions, individuals, and all other people that would want to be part of us. I welcome you. See you there.
Hi, I'm Sulilanji, the Workplace First Aid Manager at Zambia Red Cross Society. I would like to extend a special invitation to all public companies, private entities that we have trained before in our various first aid courses that we've done with them in the past. So the main height of the event during the commemoration is a first aid competition where we'll have several companies coming to compete and showcase the various skills that have learned over the years in terms of first aid. So please come through and commemorate this day, so that together we can inculcate a culture of safety in the workplace and beyond.
Hi, my name is Mila Manchishi and I'm the First Aid Marketing Officer at Zambia Red Cross Society. I'd like to cordially invite you all as we commemorate the World First Aid Day event, which falls on the 28th of September at the Showgrounds. This event will kickstart at 6 a.m. with various sporting events such as aerobics and relay. Come on, come all, see you there.